What is the purpose of React hooks? Introduction. React hooks were introduced to functional components in React to allow them to have stateful logic and side effects, previously only achievable in class components. State management in functional components. Hooks such as useState enable functional components to manage local state. This simplifies the process of incorporating stateful behavior into component without converting them into class components. Reduction of boilerplate code. Hooks significantly reduce the amount of boilerplate code associated with class components, making code more concise and readable. Reuse of stateful logic. Hooks allow the extraction and reuse of stateful logic across different components. This promotes a modular and efficient approach to code organization. No need for class components. Prior to hooks, state and lifecycle methods were only available in class components. Hooks eliminate the need for class components, providing a more consistent and functional programming paradigm. Simplified side effects. Hooks such as useEffects simplify the handling of side effects in functional components. Side effects can include data fetching, subscription, or manual DOM manipulation. Easier code testing. With hooks, functional components become more testable. Logic encapsulated in hooks can be tested independently, facilitating unit testing. Hooks for different use cases. React provides various built-in hooks for different use cases, including useState for managing state, useEffect for handling side effects, or context for accessing context, and more. Consistent component lifecycle. Hooks streamline the component lifecycle, allowing developers to manage state and side effects consistently throughout the lifecycle of a functional component. Encourages functional composition. Hooks encourage functional composition, enabling developers to compose and reduce smaller units of logic to build more complex behavior. Improved code readability. Hooks improve code readability by allowing developers to group related logic together within a component, making it easier to understand and maintain. Gradual adoption. React hooks enable a gradual transition for developers, allowing them to adopt functional component with hooks incrementally without rewriting entire code bases. Gradual adoption. React hooks enable a gradual transition for developers, allowing them to adopt functional component with hooks incrementally without rewriting entire code bases. Alignment with functional programming. Hooks align with the principles of functional programming, promoting the use of pure function and immutability, leading to more predictable and maintainable code. Improved developer experience. React hooks contribute to an improved developer experience by simplifying complex state management and side effects, resulting in more readable and maintainable code. Thank you. To sign up for the React Stack training, please contact 98759 05952 or email info@devxhub.com. Thank you again.